Hello everybody and welcome to another vlog. Today it's me, Pierre Farrugia, and we are in the beautiful location of Ghar Lapsi. As you can see here, Ghar Lapsi, the most famous part is that part there where people come to swim. Another thing, especially for foreigners, the restaurant here, Ta RIta, has been demolished and is being rebuilt into something new, which I don't have any idea, so something good to know. But look how beautiful it is here. I did a vlog here with my kayak with Zuri. I did another vlog up there in those caves, and I did some trekking here as well. And today the aim is to reach Pixxina Naturali. Well, let me show you how beautiful this place is. I really love those cliffs up there. It's a beautiful day. It's a little bit windy now. We have the sun. We have where people swim in Ghar Lapsi here. And here there is the Hamriya tower up there. Here I'm still trekking. Look how beautiful this and picturesque these big stones are at the edge of the cliffs. As if somebody put them here. And here I think you can get a view of the next bay down here. But look how beautiful it is here. Issa to continue my trek, I have to walk all the way up and move all the way there. So then I continue all that way. There are some people trekking here, but it's nice. Even this here, another amazing Maltese place. But let's continue. I'm still trekking on the edge of this cliff. Look how beautiful this area is. It's another amazing place to come. Look, wow, and look at the color of this sea here and this bay. There's plenty of people trekking today. It's very nice. And even now, trekking up, it's a little bit more, how you say, it's more trekking than normal hiking, so people coming here have to keep this in mind. But it's nothing difficult, just you have to keep that you're passing from such areas. Yeah. But let me show you the view from here. This is the view looking back on the cliffs. And this is the view you get here up to Tal-Majjistral tower. Look how nice, and this bay it is. We have the sun again. We have Filfla up there. And lots of people. This is the path one must walk. There are these red markers that show you the way, but if you keep to the edge, that's the path you have to walk in. And remember that today's target is the Pixxina Naturali. It's a small enclosed, like a small swimming pool, natural swimming pool. Because Pixxina, actually in Italy, it's swimming pool. We have those red markers again, and we are still following this path. From this beauty here, if you look up, we can see those big caves. Inside those big caves right now, there are people doing rock climbing, both in this cave and even in the other cave. Must be an amazing to do, although I am not good at it. But let's continue. As I told you before, we have many people trekking in this area. You have to keep in mind that you are walking at the edge of many places here, so one have to take care, especially with small children. Although one can maybe try to walk a little bit higher up and continue on that side. But then you reach the path again, which is good for everybody. Everywhere you look, how beautiful it is here. And here I think there is an abandoned boat which we can go and check. And look at this bay here. How beautiful it is. So now we have to go downhill. This part here is one of the favorites because of those cliffs and these caves are, and we have that valley there. Look how nice it is. We have the sea on this side, Filfla just in front there. We can see Hamriya Tower up there, and above it one can go and visit Imnaidra and Hajar temples. Very nice area and quiet, lots of birds, beautiful area. I have to come once here camping. Somebody must have lost his boat here. Let's go to check this out. And this was a very big boat, not a small boat. And from the paint, it looks that it has been well kept as well. It's, I think, a fishing boat. It's very big. Maybe you see better like this. As big. Oops. Look how big it is. Let me show you. Look how big this boat is. Here. It's nice, huh? It's not nice, the boat, but seeing it like this makes an amazing picture. Look. Like this. Nice, huh? Here many times, Sarah, behind this boat, I come with Sharon and we do like a picnic in winter. Look how nice. There's no name in Mara because it's all broken down. We normally come to this bay to say a little bit relaxed, but isn't it amazing, this area? And still we didn't reach the Pixxina Naturali, so let's continue. One, it's not normally find a boat shipwrecked like this, although it makes a dramatic scene because that's the word that I was trying to say. Hopefully some of the authorities come and pick it up. Because if it's very rough, it will end up again into the sea. So let's continue our journey up here. Hope you are enjoying this trek as much as I do. Oops. And now we have to walk up here. Oops. There's the boat. That is the small bay, and we are walking on top of here. Although one can bypass this part and continue on. There is a massive cave up there. Another one there, another one there. It's impressive, here. We are still walking in this spot. It's a very beautiful area to come and trek. And many of the places of this trek, or many parts of this trek, is like this, so one can easily walk here, and the views are guaranteed, whether you look on those sides or how nice it is, or you want to enjoy the sea, whatever you look, it's beautiful here. Now I reach this area, and if you look up, so there's the valley. You walk a little bit more, then if you continue like this, you see nothing special. Not nothing special because it's a beautiful place. But if you trek where those people are going, Pixxina Naturali is down there. So coming here, you don't see it. you have to know the area because it's really hidden. So what I have to go now is I trek up there and go up. It's just 100 meters away from that boat and you will find it. So now let's start going to Pixxina Naturali. We have found our target. Mela now I will not continue the trek here. Instead I will go up where there's dead people there. So I trek like this, so then I start going down into Pixxina Naturali. And let me tell you that this Pixxina Naturali, one can dive under if you have enough breath and go out from the other side and end up in the sea, which is amazing. Now this is the path that takes you to the Pixxina Naturali, which is actually an inland sea, so connected to the main sea from a cave underwater. So I told you before, it's a little bit hidden and many people they don't find or they don't see the trek up here. So let me show you from up here what it is. And this hole here is the Pixxina Naturali. One have to trek down here, and when it's down there one will encounter the sea. But now let's make my way down this this slope here, which is very, very steep, and one needs a little bit good shoes not to fall, and preferably don't do like me, use both hands as well. But till now it's not that bad. But if you go down slowly, shouldn't be a problem. And still we have some way to go. And remember that when we go down, we have to walk all the way up. So be prepared for some puffing. But look how nice it is here. It's not a very long way here. We have to continue down. We have some people coming up, so we move to the side because we are going down and they are going up. Here I'm still going down. As I told you, it's a little bit steep, but nothing dangerous. We'll have to take it slowly here. Look how much we're going down. This is where the Pixxina Naturali is situated. And I'm telling you that it's not easy to find it if you don't know where it is. Here is also a nice video of Angelo that came here. And another fantastic thing to follow. There's Henry Copperstone, I think, that he even free-dived here, which has many videos about Malta. Go and follow him because you will be amazed how about his footage and his photography with models underwater is out of this world. It's a little bit difficult there going down, but nothing. I don't think that this trek today is for everybody. You have to keep this in mind because it's a little bit steep, especially this part. But here, look, wow, look at the water, how beautiful it is. Amazing, yeah? I'm still making my way down. There's many boulders I have to walk on, and I'm trying to be safe as much as possible by helping with my hands. No, it's not that difficult. Look how beautiful this area is. This is the Pixxina Naturali down here, and this is where we came from. It's nice. So now let's continue down. This is not a long trek as well, but very beautiful trek to do. Unfortunately, we have people that throw their stuff here, which is a pity, ruining such a natural habitat here. And I don't think nobody will come here to clean it after you. But the water is just so clear. The dark part you see is all water. Look how nice it is here. Nice, eh? Move this part here, and we'll soon reach the sea. Remember that this Pixxina Naturali, from here, one can dive from one side to the other. I have no expertise in free diving, but I think if you have to do it, take care and be with the body, because I don't actually know how long it is. I assume it's a couple of meters, but better don't risk it. Well, let me get a little bit down. Yeah, look how nice it is. Let me show you better. Right now, like this, you can see the color of this pool, how beautiful it is, or even its color. It's enclosed in this like small valley. It's beautiful here. Let me show you even from up there. Look how nice it is. And the color here, you have this purple of the underwater sea grass, so, and the turquoise of the sea. Let's move a little bit to the side. Hope I can show you better. Not sure how well you can see, but from down there I can see light coming, so one can go out on the outside. It's amazing, this part. And now I'm going to try and move to the other side. I don't know if I can go up. I never did it, but let's try. This is dangerous, that I'm going down all wet. But it's nothing that big. Okay, we made it on the outside, the other side. How nice it is. Amazing, and the color, very nice. Now I'm going to leave this beautiful feature behind me. I came from there, and today I'm going to try something different. I will try to go up from here. I don't know if it's possible, but it's worth trying. So let's check this out. It could be a little bit slippery, but I will take care and try not to fall. I try. It's much harder, it looks, than the other part. But we are getting up slowly. I will put my camera away because I need both hands, because I have to climb up there. Slowly I made my way up here. Yes, I have to check to find there's a way that I can go up here, because now I'm having my doubts if I can continue from this side. But let's check. I never been on this side before, and here we are at another bay. But I have a problem, because I think it's going to be impossible going up here. Now I made it on top of the cliff again. Look how beautiful this area is. I will take a short break here. We have the sun going down, and so I have to wish you all a happy new year and thank you for this year. It has been an amazing year for me with your support. Please like and subscribe, and share these videos, and if you know something good about here, just comment. Until next time, bye bye. Hope that one brings in a good new year. What do you think?